Good evening, everyone. It's 5:36 p.m. here in Cypress, Texas. This is Francis, and we're looking at today's LASCO C3 satellite imagery from SOHO movie theater, set to the large screen, 1,000 pixels, running for the date February 7th through February 7th to the time it is right now. It's 101 frames, and we're looking for the newest Kruetz Comet. And that's our goal. Once we, I did discover yesterday that I should have longer than a day showing, so I may be adjusting how many days are involved in my observation, depending on when I go to it. But we're going to do just today and see what's there, see if there's anything there, see if we missed anything, see if someone's been able to discover a new comet, because there is one there. If there's one there, we'll see it. We may not be the first one to see it, but we will see it. Let's run it through a little bit faster. I'm going to we're looking for cometary objects. We're looking for cometary movement. We're looking for the next Kruetz Comet in this way that you can. The Sungrazer website, SOHO satellite imagery. You can see things besides just the sun and the planet that happens to be in the image. And in the near future, we'll all discover and see what it looks like when it happens to be one of the first to discover something new, or to confirm something just recently discovered. Looking at this area right here, we're looking for movement. Movement besides the steady progression across from left to right. We're looking for an angular movement toward the sun that will show, that will be how a comet reveals itself. I know that I look toward the bottom of the screen more than I do the top. I don't know if that's the right thing or the wrong thing to do. I know that most of the comets that are seen here are seen from the bottom up. It will be interesting when one is discovered since beginning this process. I know that if I don't find out about it and I find something here that I think is a comet, it's going to be quite interesting to see what I do next. I have no idea, but I will obtain the help I need to help make the report if I feel there's something to report. That's why we're looking to make a new report, to notice the angular motion against or with the star field that is different than the star field in the background. I'll be happy when I recognize the part of space that I'm looking at naturally by looking at this satellite imagery. I have no real connection with what I'm looking at. I know that these stars could tell me what we're looking at, and it's pretty crazy that it looks like a C, but whatever. Because we're not looking for C's unless it has O-M-E-T after it. I want to thank everyone who listened to today's 2 radio broadcasts. One for 2 hours on American Freedom Radio, which happens every Tuesday, Cosmic Obsession Nightlife. Next week on Cosmic Obsession Nightlife on American Freedom Radio, Tuesdays from 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be a great show. We have 2 very important researchers who are responsible for 2 major science programs that are currently in operation right now. One is David J. McComas of the IBEX satellite research, heliosphere research, and the other is Dr. Don Hassler of the radiation assessment detector on the Mars rover Curiosity. Both men work out of the Southwest Research Institute, and we're going to have both of them on air at the same time. So that is next Tuesday from 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on American Freedom Radio. The show is Cosmic Obsession Nightlife. We have a lot of great guests and shows coming up, and you don't want to miss them. We have the Impact Zone now, Monday through Friday on Revolution Radio from 5 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And of course we have our very first radio show, and still the one with the most bite, Collision Course, every Friday night on Revolution Radio from 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Wish you all a good evening, good morning, good day, wherever you are. I hope that you are doing fine and have everything in the right perspective. I don't see anything, my friends. Not yet. Tell me if you see something, but I don't see it. We'll talk to you later. It is 5:43 p.m. in Cypress, Texas.